Where do we find our stories? What about out there? In the borderless, boundless unknown, down your street, in your world, the place that you call home. Because it's there, in the fun stuff, hard stuff, the waiting for the bus stuff, with the people you know and the things that you do, that great stories are waiting to be found, ready to be told by you. So we're hitting the road, on a search for someone new, and your stories that we can bring to life together with your town and our community as your crew. So creators, wherever you are, with all that you hold, tell us, what's a story only you can tell? What's your great untold?